Namaste, welcome to Knowledge Plaza YouTube channel. So today, as I'm before you to discuss about this SLC topic. Okay, so let me discuss about the topic. Several times you might have wondered about how the grade heights and the distances are calculated by using mathematical calculations such as height of the pyramid, height of the tower, distance between the planets, distance between the tower and the building, and some other cases. Okay, so how they are calculated by using mathematical calculations. So there is a branch of mathematics which deals about these such cases. So that branch of mathematics which study about height and distances is known as trigonometry. So today's our topic is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals about the study of height and distances. Okay, which deals about the study of height and distances. And then the word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words trigon and metron. These are the Greek words. By using these words, the trigonometry word is derived. So tri means three, gon means side, metron means measurement. So trigonometry is a measure of three sides or measure of three sides of a triangle. So trigonometry gives the study of relationship between angles and the sides of the triangle. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which gives the relationship between sides and angles of the triangle. Okay, so the most of the trigonometrical concepts are very widely applicable in the fields like engineering field, in that several branches like electrical engineering, civil engineering, and also in some other branches. Okay, and it is very widely applicable in other branches called surveying, astronomy, navigation, social science, medical science, physical science. The trigonometrical concepts are very much useful in the branch called physical science. Okay, and now we are going to discuss, and the trigonometrical concepts are very much concentrated on the right angled triangle. Trigonometrical concepts are concentrated on the right triangle. Okay, you know that what is right triangle? A triangle in which one angle should measure 90 degree. A triangle in which one angle should measure 90 degree is called a right triangle, right? So the most of the trigonometrical concepts are concentrated on the right triangle. Okay, so let me discuss some basic concepts regarding the trigonometry. Okay, to know the basics of trigonometry, let me consider a right triangle. Triangle ABC is right angled at B. Okay, and apart from the right angle, there are two acute angles. Okay, apart from the right angle, there are two acute angles, which are angle A and angle C are the two acute angles. Okay, and the side opposite to the angle B, that is right angle, is hypotenuse. Okay, the side opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. And then as related to the angle theta, that is acute angle, we are going to name the sides of the right triangle. Okay, as related to the angle, acute angle theta, we are going to name the sides of the right triangle. So firstly, we have to take the acute angle, two of the acute angles, one as theta. Okay, theta is a Greek letter which is used to represent the angles in the trigonometry. Theta is a Greek letter which is used to represent the angles in the triangle. So trigonometry. Okay. And as related to the angle theta, the sides of the right triangle are going to named as opposite side and adjacent side. Okay, opposite side and adjacent side. The side which is opposite to the angle theta, the side which is opposite to the angle theta is known as opposite side. For this angle theta, the side opposite is AB, is the opposite side. Okay, and one more side is left. That side is known as adjacent side. Okay, adjacent side can be defined as the side which has a common point with the angle theta. Here two sides are having the common point with the angle theta. One already named, that is hypotenuse, and next which is left, that is known as the adjacent side. Okay, the side which has a common point with angle theta is known as adjacent side. The side which is opposite to the angle theta is known as the opposite side. So here opposite side is AB and BC is the adjacent side, AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, I got the points. If the angle is going to take or mark as a theta, then the sides are changed. As related to the angle theta, we are going to name the sides. The hypotenuse is as it is, there is no change in it. Okay, so as related to the angle theta, we are going to name the sides as opposite side and adjacent side. So now the side opposite to the angle theta, which is here now, for the A, angle A is the theta, and side opposite to is BC. It is the opposite side. And the side left, which is AB, is now becomes adjacent when it the sides of the right triangle in the trigonometry are named according to the angle theta. Okay, we remember the point. As related to the angle theta, we are going to name the sides of the right triangle as opposite side and adjacent side. Okay, have we got? Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about the trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So firstly, consider a right triangle. Okay, let me mark any one of these angles as theta. Okay, as related to the angle theta, we are going to name the sides. Okay, let it later. So now we are going to consider the possible ratios for the given triangle. Let's write EB by AC is one of the ratio. BC by AC is one of the ratio, and next AB by BC is one more ratio. Now take reciprocals for these ratios. Again we will be getting three more ratios, that is AC by AB, then AC by BC, and next BC by AB. These are the 6 possible trigonometric ratios. Okay, these are the possible 6 ratios for the given triangle. So in trigonometry, there is a special names for these 6 ratios. According to the, as related to the angle theta, we are going to name the sides of the triangle, the ratios of the triangle, as given the special name. Okay, let me know what is the special name, what are the special name for these trigonometric ratios. Remember the ratios. Okay, the first ratio what we have taken here, AB by AC. So AB, firstly name the sides of the triangle. AC is hypotenuse, theta is seno, angle C is theta, then sides, it is the AB is the opposite side and it is adjacent side. Okay, now AB by AC, name the sides of the right, name the sides. AB is opposite side, then AC is hypotenuse. So in trigonometry, there is a special name for this ratio as related to the angle theta. We named it as sine of angle theta. In short form, it is known as sine theta. Okay, sine of angle theta is known as sine theta. It is a ratio of opposite side to the hypotenuse. Okay, the ratio opposite to the hypotenuse is named as sine theta. Okay, here sine and theta are not the product. Okay, are not the product, they are not separate, and there is, it is an abbreviation that we have to name, we have to call that as it is only sine theta. Okay, it is an abbreviation that we have to call sine theta only. We should not say it as sine product theta. Okay, next ratio what we have taken, BC by AC. BC by AC is, BC is adjacent by hypotenuse. There is a special name for this ratio also in trigonometry, that is cosine of angle theta. Cosine of angle theta. Cosine of angle theta is in short form called as cos theta. Cos theta is the ratio of adjacent side to the hypotenuse side. Remember the points. Sin theta is the ratio of opposite side to the hypotenuse side. Cos theta is the ratio of adjacent side to the hypotenuse side. Okay, and next we are going to see what is the name for the next ratio. Next ratio what we have considered, that is AB by BC. AB by BC. AB is opposite and BC is adjacent. Right. So there is a special name for this ratio in trigonometry, that is tangent of angle theta. Tangent of angle theta. Tangent of angle theta is named in short form as tan theta. Okay, this is also not the product. Tan into theta naught, it is just tan theta. Okay, it is an abbreviation that we are calling it as tan theta. Okay, tan theta is a ratio of opposite to the adjacent side. Should remember these things, not these ratio, whatever it may be. The sides, name of the sides, whatever it may be, they are changing, but we should have to remember the names as like this. Opposite to the adjacent is tan theta. Okay, and the next ratio, what is the next ratio we have taken? AC by AB, right? AC by AB. AC is hypotenuse divided by opposite. It is a reciprocal of the first ratio, no? So this ratio is known as, this ratio, there is a special name in the trigonometry, that is cosecant. Cosecant of angle theta. Cosecant of angle theta. In short form it is called cosec theta. Okay, or you can call cosecant theta. Okay, nothing. So cosecant theta is the ratio of hypotenuse to the opposite side. Next, next ratio what we have taken? AC by BC, right? AC by BC. AC is hypotenuse and adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. It is a ratio. In the trigonometry, it is known as secant of angle theta. Secant of angle theta. Secant of angle theta. In short form, it is called sec theta. In short form, it is called sec theta, or you can call secant theta. Okay, secant theta is a ratio of hypotenuse to the adjacent side. Okay, and next ratio is BC by AB, right? BC by AB. BC is adjacent and AB is opposite. It is an opposite to the third ratio what we have discussed. Adjacent side to the opposite side. It is a ratio in trigonometry. It is called as, or there is a special name for this ratio, is cotangent of angle theta. Cotangent of angle theta. In short form, it is called as cot theta. Cot theta. Cot theta is the ratio of adjacent side to the opposite side. Cot theta is the ratio of adjacent side to the opposite side. Okay, let me recall the trigonometric ratios once again. Opposite by hypotenuse is sin theta. Adjacent by hypotenuse is cos theta. Opposite by adjacent is tan theta. Hypotenuse by opposite cosecant theta. Hypotenuse by adjacent is secant theta, and adjacent side by opposite side is cotangent theta or cot theta. Okay, these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. By using these trigonometric ratios, we can solve if they are given any two angles. If they are given any two side or any one of this side with angle, we can find the other sides of the right triangle for the given problems. If they are given one side and one angle, we can find the next remaining quantities, which are the angles or the sides. Okay, by using these trigonometric ratios, we can find the rest of the angles and sides. Okay, this is all about the trigonometric ratios. Thank you. Please watch the video for more information about the trigonometry. Thank you.